Hi there, Elena from Veertly here, and today I'm going to show you a new feature which we have developed, and it is to kick a user out of your event. We hope that this new feature is going to make your event even easier to manage. Now let's say you would like to kick a user out of your event. You will head down to Attendees, and here we see we have 2 people in the event. I would like to possibly kick out John Doe from the event. In order to do so, I will hover over his name, I will right click, and here you will see that you have an option to kick a user. I will click this, and here I get a little message asking if this is something that I definitely would like to do. Yes, so I will click on kick, and John Doe is gone. Now, regarding this new feature that we have developed, it does not permanently ban the user out of the event. The user can always come back into the event, so just be aware of that. I hope that you have liked this new feature and this demo, and please let us know if you have any requests regarding any new features or any other videos that we should do. Thank you!